Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share two very interesting and ancient condiment basically, which if you prepare it you can enjoy the benefits. One of the benefits is that you can lose weight without any much of effort as a daily life. It's very easy to prepare these ones. Everybody can do it at home, and the good thing is that you can just consume this with any of your hot drinks. For example, you can have it with your tea, with your coffee. It's very delicious. It's not gonna upset your stomach. It's not gonna disturb you in case if you do not like the taste or anything like that. It's tasty, and yet it has a lot of health benefits. It will accelerate your metabolism. It will cause you lose weight so fast without any much of effort. You just have it with your drink, and it will empower your body defense system. So a quick look, let me show you what are the things that you need to have in order to prepare these two magical ancient condiments. Basically what you need is fresh whole lemon, you need fresh garlic. I have here 3 whole head of garlic, and you need fresh ginger, which I peeled and washed, and it's ready. Also I peeled and I made the garlic ready. We need honey, which is just better to use raw pure honey. We need apple cider vinegar, please use the pure version. And you need also 2 glass jars to just prepare your condiments. That's all. Also a quick explanation about the ingredients before getting to preparation and making it. I'm using everything organic. Better to use organic and best quality because we are going to get results. We want results. So if you use pure, organic, natural, of course you will get better results. So I'm using organic unwaxed lemon. I'm using, of course, organic garlic, organic gingers. Always organic gingers are looking smaller than the other gingers. Other unorganic gingers are inorganic gingers are really big. So yeah, using organic honey, and of course I'm using the vinegar that I made it myself. The video is up to my channel if you want to know how easily you can make vinegar out of everything. This is a mixture of apple and pear vinegar. It's so light and pleasant. It's not going to upset your stomach. You can just literally have it raw. So we are going to use this one, which is going to make it pleasant taste. And yeah, that's all. So let's go get into preparation. To prepare the first condiment, we need the lemon and the gingers. First, slice the lemons. Get rid of the both heads of the lemons. Then fill half of one of the jars with the lemons. We are going to put between the lemons some gingers, so slice some gingers and place them on the top of the lemons. Then place the rest of the sliced lemons over it and top the rest of the space of the jar with the sliced gingers. Once the jar is filled, we are going to pour honey all over the jar until it's completely full. You can see right away after pouring the honey over the top of the lemons and gingers, it turns to be so liquidy and watery. Transfer it into the fridge, let it stay for 1 day, and then it's ready to be consumed. Always keep it refrigerated. To prepare the second condiment, we are going to crush all our garlic.
We are not going to squash the garlic completely, just a bit so that it will get crushed, but still yet the pieces are visible. Transfer the crushed garlic into the second jar. And next we are going to fill half of the jar with apple cider vinegar. And the rest of the jar will be filled with honey. Stir all the ingredients well, and your second condiment also is ready. Keep it refrigerated and it's ready to be consumed.